Saka ndonya yacho mabatani. Inangu andichazorindoita sei.
I think she needs help. Counseling, Jai. From a professional counselor. Chini namba za doctor vaya. Maybe vanogona kuti unzira munhu pana apa chaipo.
Babatani. Anti unoziva kuti kuuya kwemunhu panapa imari futi inenge yoda kuwedzerwa.
Her life comes first. Mari tokwanisa kutsvaga imwe ka, but we only have her. She's our responsibility. Kana ari kumusha uko anenge aina baba namama. Kana ari kuno kuti isu vabereki vake isusu.
Babatani, inangu I don't believe in nature counseling.
What do you mean?
Babatani, counseling ndezvevarungu izvi. Isusu vanhu vatema kunoudza maproblems ako kumutorwa.
Are you serious? Itase munhu akadzidza inga wakaenda kuchikoro wani?
Babatani, inini personally, I prefer dealing with my own problems ndega. Vanhu they will just bring the same pain again. Saka zvinobatsirei?
Natanya nditeerese. Keeping problems inside you only make it worse. Anamba achita pile up one after the other. And let me tell you something. Some problems are too big to handle by yourself.
Inini angu I prefer handling them ndega.
You need help. Anyways, fonera doctor ivava. You direct us to the right person.
Babatanya, Lily is fine.
You wait until kuda mani we. If you have on problems, you can deal with them and handle them however you want. But for Lily, this is best. Wazinzwa? And also, she needs you now. Make sure you know Square and I are doing things that will get her mind off Mike.
Babatanya. Mwana tinga ngabonga. Tolishikatsala kada.
Mummy is calling now.
Ini mama ari kufonewa kuva ignore. Tikandidaire ndiwodzo tichichuvitika. Maitani. Don't tell her anything that's happening, Maitani. Unoziva Maitani mama munhu ane BP. Wese uzoudza the situation that I'm in. Tinoendesa kuchipatara nezvinhu zvisina basa. Ndinoona kuti zvinhu zvisina basa zviri kuitika kwauri zvinhu zvisina basa here izvi. Maitani, it's my life mazvinzwa. Upenyu hwangu hausi hwenyu mazvinzwa ka. Hamundiudzire zvekuita neupenyu hwangu. Inini I'm saying handisi kuda kuti vazviziva. I don't want them to know anything at all about what's happening. Ka ishi phone vaudzi zviri kuitika. Asi make sure you don't involve my name. Usataure nezvangu pafoni pavo. Siyana nezita rangu, siyana ineni. Hello mama. Mushe muri right here. Kuno tiri right zvedu. Tese. Lily. Usandibati kani. Oye kani. Kwanza. Usandibati kani. Angisikushilo. Ndiyese. Usandibati. Usandibati kani. Kulikwati. Lily. Ah! Usandibati. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Usandibati. Get away from me. Lily. Get away from me. Usandibati.
Lily. Nene. Ngizwanile. Mngani. Let us help him. I'm not going to all the time now. Let us help you.
I'm okay, guys. Did it right. Stop treating me like I'm a child. Did it right. I am fine.
Lily, you're not okay. Wanzo, and it's changing. It's getting worse day by day. And is it? In Nangwan Chashkwan is it? Mama, I'm enough of this.
My Tanya. Mankuru, ite my Tanya was a phone mama kani.
Why? Auntie Mimi don't want to let us in. So maybe mama go yakuno kumnonzwanana.
Mankuru, you really don't understand.
What?
Mama muno ndakagara naye for a long time. Tindegara na mama kumusha. I understand a bit. Mama muna ne BP. Kuwaudza zvinhu zvakadai tinongowesena situation. Bamkuru ndokumbirwa utse mai Tanya asafonere mama. I will cooperate hangu mukasawafonera. I promise. Ndokumbirwa Bamkuru.
Okay. So phone your mama, please.
Baba Tanya, now you're taking the side drug.
Mama need a baby.
Baba Tanya, you know my sister is suffering and I can feel the pain too.
And you know Zirukundirwadza, but mama need a BPO. You better another problem. At least we can handle this one together. Together we're strong. I need it. Come here. I'll phone a doctor.
Ndawafonera but hands out of the country. Ndarofonera cancel hands ndiyacha.
Oh, go in. Timing.
Monde munhu. Ah, ndise ngabe pana. My sister is suffering because of this idiot.
I know. Pinga mumba. Okay.
Niki baba na. Mi
Siko.
batana ndokwadza newewe. Ngabe pana.
Sadar. Please, ngapi mumba.
I don't want to see me, yeah.
Pinga mumba.
Mudze mese muri tu you I see kuti uri kudziya moto wembavha saka newo ambavha you're taking his side after all he's done to my sister.
I understand, but you just need to understand him first.
Why do I have to understand him? My sister's having sleepless nights in Mbongo. Saka, why are you taking his side? He should be behind bars, Mkomana man. When you're not taking the right steps, Baba Tanya. You're telling me not to tell Mama. And it's dance in the Saudi Mama, and now you're taking his side. Saka, it's better. My sister is suffering in Mbongo.
Sorry.
Baba Tanya, you don't know the pain I'm feeling.
Tanya, violence solves nothing. Let's go.
Baba Tanya, because of that idiot. And now you're taking his side.
Then what good will it do you kamura any dem? No fira ku jerugo. Osia lilo wajo ina nifuti.
Skazhen. Muri right Raska.
Ndopa maitanya. Ndavaona Dr. Sisi.
Ndipo ndimi kansela.
Dr. Beverly.
Ngatipinde zvidu.
But bangu perfect yakuchebo. Zvatika nasikana neni ndasina mbobvunza zvakazvitarisira.
Give her time. Time heals all wounds. Let's just say whatever you had Murituga is now Bazero. But to say to Dakon, you can keep sending her presents, gifts, flowers, I don't care. And you don't stop keep sending those things. In her mind, because she will register with Mike is caring and loving. Somehow she'll come around. And when she's done with whatever she's going through, she will come and find you, Kanajida. But she'll make a decision for herself.
I don't think I can do it, Bangu.
You made a choice. You suffered the consequences. In this life, if you make a choice, you suffer the consequences. So if you can do it for yourself, do it for her. And do not do no more. Wait for her. And if she makes a decision, you have to respect it. No, God. Yes, this was all. This was Kona maitanya. Try to avoid it. That's how that goes. Hi. Hello? Ndingoni. Sorry. Can we meet? It's okay. So in 20 minutes and it. Okay, I'll be there. Okay.
You have chosen to take the side of the enemy. After all my case done to me, you choose to let him walk away.
Not that.
Tell me, would you have let him go?
Violence solves nothing, that's all.
Violence solves nothing, but then this.
You don't get this twisted, doesn't it? I love Lily the same way I love you and my sister. I would have reacted the same way. Can you at least stop talking and listen to what I have to say?
Not today, and not even now. No, that's not the issue. How are you feeling? Was it? Did you write in my tongue?
Sorry. There's language and the guy does it, and I'm really, really, truly sorry. I understand you cannot run it somewhere, but I'm truly sorry.
You made me wait for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Do you know it's bad to keep a girl waiting for that long?
No.
That's so good, you don't look so good.
I feel good.
No, you're boring. Come here.
know what and
I know. But study shows kuti wakagona at least 1 week usina kana stress. Plus ndandakusuwa. Saka ndafara kukuona. Stress yanasika yanga yakawanda. So I'm glad to know this of my
I'm glad to see you too. Feel much better, thank you.
You're welcome. But you feel much better kana tikapinda mota toenda kumba unondudza kuti chichunyasokupa stress andi.
Kana watanga wandudzewo kuti chicho kunedza first.
Ndisikukudzai. Ndichikudzira.
But I won't tell you everything.
Oh, yes, you will. Get in the car. Uchanondudza zvese hako takumba.
Ani ndinogara pamother seat.
Pindai kani mother. Chikunezai.
Like I said, amazing girl.